Poland, a country often overlooked yet brimming with charm and character. Tucked away in Central Europe, Poland is a land of contrasts, where history whispers from every cobblestone and majestic landscapes unfold before your eyes. This is a country that has weathered countless storms, emerging stronger and more vibrant each time. Poland's spirit is infectious. The people are warm, welcoming, and proud of their heritage. Whether you're drawn to the grandeur of Krakow's Wawel Castle or the bustling energy of Warsaw, Poland offers something for everyone. From the soaring peaks of the Tatra Mountains to the rolling hills of the Masurian Lake District, Poland's natural beauty is simply breathtaking. But it's the people with their indomitable spirit and deep-rooted traditions that truly make Poland special. So grab your backpack, lace up your walking shoes, and get ready to explore Poland. This is a country that will captivate your senses, challenge your perspectives, and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Poland's history is long and complex. For centuries, this nation stood as a beacon of power and culture in Central Europe. The Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, a vast and influential empire, stretched from the Baltic Sea to the Black Sea. Polish kings and queens held court in opulent palaces, while renowned scholars and artists flocked to the country's vibrant cities. But Poland's fortunes changed dramatically in the 18th century. The once mighty Commonwealth was partitioned by its powerful neighbors, Prussia, Russia, and Austria. For over a century, Poland vanished from the map, its people subjected to foreign rule. Yet the Polish spirit never wavered. Through music, literature, and underground movements, Poles kept their national identity alive. After World War I, Poland finally regained its independence, but the joy was short-lived. The horrors of World War II and the subsequent imposition of communist rule brought new challenges. Yet even in the darkest of times, Poles clung to their faith, their culture, and their dreams of a better future. Poland's artistic heritage is a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. From the poignant melodies of Frédéric Chopin to the soaring poetry of Adam Mickiewicz, Polish artists have captured the soul of their nation. Chopin's piano compositions, often imbued with a sense of longing and nostalgia, reflect the turbulent times in which he lived. Mickiewicz, considered the national poet of Poland, used his words to inspire hope and resistance. Polish literature has flourished for centuries, producing renowned authors like Stanislaw Lem, whose science fiction novels gained international acclaim, and Nobel Prize winner Wisława Szymborska, known for her insightful and often ironic poetry. Polish cinema, too, boasts a rich tradition. Directors like Andrzej Wajda and Krzysztof Kieślowski explored themes of war, identity, and the human condition, earning international recognition for their powerful films. Poland's artistic legacy is not merely a reflection of its past, it's a vibrant and evolving force that continues to inspire and captivate audiences worldwide. From traditional folk music and dance to cutting-edge contemporary art, Poland's creative spirit shines brightly. Poland's history is deeply intertwined with the tragedies of war. The devastation of World War II left an indelible mark on the country's landscape and psyche. The Nazi occupation brought unimaginable suffering, with the Holocaust claiming the lives of millions of Polish Jews. The Warsaw Uprising, a desperate but ultimately unsuccessful attempt to liberate the city from Nazi control, resulted in the near-total destruction of the capital. Yet, from the ashes of war, Poland rose again. The resilience of the Polish people is truly remarkable. With unwavering determination, they rebuilt their cities, revived their economy, and rekindled their cultural life. The scars of war are still visible, serving as a poignant reminder of the past, but they also stand as a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Polish people. Today, Poland stands as a beacon of hope and democracy. The country's journey from the depths of despair to its current position as a thriving European nation is a story of courage, resilience, and the enduring power of the human spirit. Warsaw, Poland's capital, is a city of contrasts. Modern skyscrapers rise alongside meticulously reconstructed historical buildings, a testament to the city's ability to reinvent itself. The Royal Route, a majestic boulevard lined with palaces, churches, and monuments, showcases Warsaw's regal past. The Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, charms visitors with its colorful buildings, cobblestone streets, and lively atmosphere. But Warsaw is not just a city of historical grandeur, it's also a vibrant cultural hub with a thriving art scene, trendy cafes, and bustling nightlife. The Palace of Culture and Science, a controversial Soviet-era skyscraper, now houses theaters, museums, and a panoramic viewing platform. The Vistula River, which flows through the heart of the city, offers picturesque views and opportunities for leisurely strolls or bike rides. Warsaw is a city that embraces both its past and its present. It's a place where history comes alive, where culture thrives, and where the spirit of resilience resonates in every corner. Kraków, Poland's former capital, exudes an aura of timeless elegance. This city, steeped in history and tradition, is a treasure trove of architectural marvels, artistic masterpieces, and captivating legends. The Wawel Castle, perched atop a hill overlooking the Vistula River, served as the seat of Polish kings for centuries. Its opulent chambers, vast courtyards, and impressive cathedral transport visitors back to a time of royal splendor. Krakow's Market Square, one of the largest medieval squares in Europe, is a bustling hub of activity. Surrounded by colorful townhouses, historic churches, and charming cafes, the square is a microcosm of Krakow's vibrant spirit. The Cloth Hall, a Renaissance-era trading hall, now houses souvenir stalls and art galleries, while horse-drawn carriages offer romantic rides through the cobblestone streets. Kraków is a city that captivates the senses and stirs the imagination. It's a place where history whispers from every corner, where art and culture flourish, and where the spirit of Polish tradition endures. The Carpathian Mountains, a majestic mountain range that stretches across Central and Eastern Europe, cast a spellbinding allure over southern Poland. These soaring peaks, blanketed in dense forests, offer a breathtaking escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The Tatra Mountains, the highest part of the Carpathians, are a paradise for hikers, skiers, and nature enthusiasts. Jagged peaks, crystalline lakes, and cascading waterfalls create a landscape of unparalleled beauty. Zakopane, a charming mountain resort town nestled at the foot of the Tatras, is a popular destination for both Polish and international tourists. Traditional wooden houses, cozy restaurants serving hearty mountain cuisine, and a lively folk culture create a unique atmosphere. Cable cars whisk visitors to the top of Kasprowy Wierch, offering panoramic views of the surrounding peaks. The Carpathian Mountains offer a glimpse into Poland's wild and untamed beauty. They are a place where nature reigns supreme, where adventure awaits around every bend, and where the soul can find solace in the tranquility of the mountains. Poland today is a country on the move. Since the fall of communism in 1989, Poland has undergone a remarkable transformation. The country embraced democracy, embraced a market economy, and emerged as a leading force in Central Europe. Modern cities bustling with activity stand as symbols of Poland's economic dynamism. Warsaw, Kraków, and Wrocław are thriving hubs of commerce, innovation, and culture. Poland's membership in the European Union has brought new opportunities and challenges. The country has benefited from EU investment, infrastructure improvements, and increased trade. Polish universities are attracting international students, while Polish entrepreneurs are making their mark on the global stage. Poland's journey since the fall of communism is an inspiring story of resilience, determination, and the power of human ingenuity. The country's future is bright, filled with possibilities and the promise of continued growth and prosperity. Poland is a country that defies easy categorization. It's a land of contrasts, where history and modernity intertwine, where natural beauty meets urban sophistication, and where the spirit of resilience shines through. From the grandeur of Krakow's Wawel Castle to the soaring peaks of the Tatra Mountains, Poland offers a wealth of experiences that will captivate your senses and linger in your memory long after you've returned home. But it's the people of Poland who truly make this country special. Their warmth, their hospitality, and their unwavering pride in their heritage create an atmosphere that is both welcoming and inspiring. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Warsaw, wandering through the historic alleys of Kraków, or hiking in the majestic Carpathian Mountains, You'll encounter a people who are passionate about their culture, eager to share their stories, and determined to build a brighter future for their nation. So come and discover Poland for yourself, uncover its hidden gems, explore its rich tapestry of history and culture, and experience the enduring allure of this remarkable country.